About this item: universal compatibility, extra long micro USB cable for Samsung Galaxy S7/S7 Edge/S6/S6 Edge/S5/S4/Note 5 fourths, Samsung tablet/tab, PS4 controller/DualShock 4/Xbox One controller, Windows phones, LG G4/G4 Stylus/G3/G3 Stylus/K40/K30/Tribute Empire, Huawei Honor 7X/6X, Motorola, Google Nexus, BlackBerry, Sony, HTC, Nokia, ZTE, BlackBerry Aurora/DTE K50/Leap/Z3/Z30/Z10, wireless keyboards, Bluetooth speakers, HP, camera, printers, e-readers. Supports most Android cell phone and Android devices, fast charging and sync. Micro USB cable 10 feet and 6 feet, a male to micro B, USB 2.0 supports 480 Mbps transmission speed and charging speed up to 2.4A. Thick gauge wiring and reduced cable resistance enable power line charging faster than most standard cables, plus data transfer. Oxidation resistance ensures a safe rapid charging by any USB charger. Protect your devices and charging adapters from damage. Work better for your phones, tablets and quick charge devices. Durable and flexible, this premium micro USB cable with high quality PVC jacket makes it stand out from bunch of cables and provides higher durability and increased flexibility with tangle-free, convenient, lightweight and easily coiled. Perfect substitute for your missing micro USB cord or add more Android chargers in different places. Extra long and convenient. Stylish micro USB cables 10 feet plus 6 feet different lengths combination with a view to prepare the long